1. Which behavior is utilized to pinpoint the KL Service Desk Analyst's weak points? A. Creating a sense of urgency. B. Managing stakeholders. C. Analyzing training needs. D. Managing sponsors. Two. What are the best ways to begin practicing problem solving? A. Develop process documentation, train service desk, and implement a knowledge base. B. Implement ITIL, problem management, document responsibilities, and create a RACI model authority matrix. C. Identify commonly recurring incidents, develop workarounds, and investigate root causes. D. Hire a problem manager, create a problem management team, and agree targets. Three. Which of the following is included in the four-dimensional model that ITIL advises using to guarantee the adoption of a holistic approach? A. Partners and suppliers. B. Values and extreme processes. C. Supply from suppliers. D. Techniques to manage people. Four. Emails, calls, in-person meetings, and briefings with various stakeholders are all part of a continuing communication strategy. Which of the following best exemplifies the communication principle? A. Timing and frequency matter. B. Communication is a two-way process. C. We're all communicating, all of the time. D. There is no single method of communication. Five. What benefits may organizational change management or OCM provide to a company? A. The development of underpinning processes for a change management standard. B. The knowledge required to support the adoption of new technology platforms. C. Cultural changes required as a result of adopting new business processes. D. Standard changes that are made to IT service assets and configuration items. Six. Which aspect of service offers is best exemplified by access to mobile networks? A. Access to resources. B. Access to network. C. Access to services. D. Access to mobility. 7. The project manager is writing a business case for the upgrade. According to this business case, the CSI technique will help with the improvement efforts. Which of the following best sums up the goal of a CSI stage in this improvement work? A. Did we get there? We'll define measurable steps for the project. B. Where are we now? We'll document process issues that need to be resolved. C. How do we get there? We'll specify the objects and business case for the project. D. What is the vision? We'll identify the best ITSM software tool to use. Eight. Which of the following justifies the use of an action plan for workshops and meetings the most? A. To ensure the workshop covers its objectives. B. To make sure the equipment needed is available and working. C. To provide the exact agenda to the workshop delegates in advance. D. To demonstrate professionalism when planning the workshop. Nine. The local manager in KL is aware of the likelihood of resistance to the modification on the part of the service desk analysts. What is the best strategy to get through this opposition? A. Monitor the situation and review in a month's time to determine if it is still an issue for concern. B. Work with the internal communications department to publish FAQs on the company intranet. C. Email the service desk analysts explaining the importance of the improvement to the company. D. Meet with the service desk analysts and explain how they will benefit from the improvement. Ten. Which issue is more important, and why? A. The keycard management problem because it will result in significant risk to the university. B. The Wi-Fi connection problem because it will result in significant cost to the university. C. The keycard management problem because it will result in significant cost to the university. 11. What is the best illustration of implementing changes utilizing the ITIL idea of adopt and adapt? A. Enhance GCITS processes based on a gap analysis between current delivery and required benefits, taking ideas from best practices. B. Use the organization's ITIL compliant toolset to enhance GCITS processes based on improvement priorities. C. Combine both GCITS and DriveU.com service management processes to produce a best practice solution that reduces the cost of support. D. Modify GCITS cloud services to align with ITIL guidance and other best practice frameworks. 12. Which of the following best sums up a sponsorship's role in an improvement initiative? A. To clarify the role played by managers or business leaders in prioritizing changes during the life cycle of the initiative. B. To organize and coordinate people's efforts and the allocation of resources to maximize efficiency in achieving identified goals. C. To ensure support from managers or business leaders to promote the initiative and authorize the change. D. To analyze key stakeholders in order to assess their power, influence and interest in the improvement initiative. 13. The project manager must be familiar with how service desks operate. Which should be done first, and why? A. Visit all service desks, document their current practices and KPIs and talk to their customers. B. Visit a representative sample of service desks and their customers, collect the same data from all of them. C. Speak to all of the service desks and their customers on the telephone, collect the same data from all of them. D. Send each service desk a questionnaire for staff and customers to complete and return. 14. Which GCITS cloud services are the most crucial to concentrate on in the initial round of improvements? A. Cost and risk. B. Value and outcome. C. Cost and outcome. D. Value and risk. 15. Which of the following is produced by the provider's provision of services? A. All the required services, which fulfills the service objectives. B. Services that provide the skills needed for customer to their business. C. Service assets which helps in monitoring and managing services. D. New resource for service consumer or modifies their existing ones. (16) Which position approves the service consumption budget? A. Customer. B. Sponsor. C. Service manager. D. Relationship manager. (17) Which of the following is offered as part of the service? A. Service functionalities. B. Utility and warranty. C. Services and products. D. Goods, access to resources and service actions. (18) What part does the company play when utilizing the services? A. Consumer. B. Client. C. Service provider. D. User. (19) Which of the following best describes the company? A. Establishing a RACI chart to depict the roles and responsibilities of all the team members. B. The people working together to accomplish the needs of a stakeholder. C. A person or group of people that has its own function with responsibilities, authorities and relationships to achieve the objectives. D. A conglomeration of all the stakeholders working together to achieve the common cause. (20) What constitutes the core of service management? A. Service component. B. Value realization. C. Service. D. Configuration item. (21) The actions that enable enterprises to continuously align to which of the following are included in the ITIL, governance as specified in the ITIL, service value system? A. Operations with strategic direction set by governing body. B. Direction set by organization to resolve incidents. C. Complete the actions to complete within the defined timelines. D. Initiatives taken to improve services. Information Technology Infrastructure Library. The ITIL or Information Technology Infrastructure Library Framework is a popular IT service management model that helps organizations to align their IT services with business requirements. It also promotes an environment of continuous service improvement to ensure that IT processes meet customer needs. While ITIL certification may not help you find the subnet mask for an IP address, it can give you the business skills necessary to manage complex information technology projects. Practitioner offers practical guidance on how to adopt and adapt the ITIL framework to support business objectives. It also focuses on the continual service improvement or CSI approach as a way to structure improvement initiatives. The practitioner exam is based on a single case study, so it's important to be familiar with it before you take the exam. It's also a good idea to review all of the ITIL for foundation questions before taking the practitioner exam. 9 Guiding Principles of ITIL. 1. Focus on value. Ensure all activities align with delivering value to the customer and the business. 2. Start where you are. Leverage what already works instead of starting from scratch. Assess the current state before making changes. 3. Progress iteratively with feedback. Break work into manageable segments, implement improvements incrementally, and use feedback to refine efforts. 4. Collaborate and promote visibility. Encourage teamwork and transparency across all departments and stakeholders to prevent silos and foster informed decision-making. 5. Think and work holistically. Consider all components of IT services as interconnected, focusing on the system as a whole, not just individual parts. 6. Keep it simple and practical. Avoid complexity by simplifying processes, focusing on what's essential, and eliminating unnecessary steps. 7. Optimize and automate. Streamline and enhance processes before automating, ensuring efficiency while reducing manual effort. 8. Plan for continuous improvement. Make improvement an ongoing practice. Regularly assess and refine processes to stay aligned with changing needs. 9. Design for experience. Ensure that services and processes are designed with the user experience in mind, focusing on ease of use and satisfaction. 3 core areas of ITIL, practitioner and key elements. 1. Organizational Change Management or OCM. Communication strategies. Stakeholder management. Leadership support. Empowering staff to adopt new processes. 2. Communication. Clear, targeted messaging. Identifying appropriate communication channels. Ensuring continuous feedback loops between stakeholders and implementers. 3. Measurement and metrics. Aligning metrics with business goals. Creating relevant KPIs to measure service performance. Using data to support decision-making and improvement initiatives.